Hey everyone, welcome back to my DIY life, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Renee Cormalis Soaps. If you haven't heard of her, she has an amazing channel. She makes all kinds of beautiful soaps and she donates, I believe, almost all of them to different charities and the homeless and all kinds of things. So you should check her out. I will put her link below. But Renee was so nice. She sent me and my children a little kit so that we can make soap at home. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I already did cut the bag open and kind of took a little peek, but here is the bag. I had to get this open because there was a package inside of a package to make sure that none of this came out. So I'm gonna make sure everything stays in here. I don't know if I can get it out. Okay, so the first thing, she did send me instructions. She sent me 2 pages of instructions. And Renee left me a little note in the instructions that said, "I hope you have a lot of fun making the soaps. Take care, Renee." That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Renee. And the first thing that came out was this super cute soap mold. I can get it out. This is a silicone mold. That's very loud. I actually have one mold. I didn't know she was sending me a mold. That's really cute. You make little soap cupcakes with them. How cute is that? Like the little bottoms and the tops. And the silicone mold makes it really easy to get the soap out. Okay. And then, let's see. So this is the soap. This is a like a melt and pour kit. So this soap, I basically would just be melting it and mixing with the colors and then pouring it in the mold and letting it dry. So there's all my soap to melt. I don't know if that's glycerin soap or, yeah, it says glycerin. Melt and pour glycerin soap. And then I have this little baggie in here for different tools. I'm not positive what this is. I'm not a soap expert. Renee is a soap expert. Oh, she sent color. Okay. So there is yellow. Okay. So I got some yellow coloring. And then pink. And blue. And on here she has, obviously with these basic colors, you can make blue and yellow, green from the blue and yellow, purple with the blue and pink, like yellow and pink for orange, etc. So I have the primary colors. Well, pink isn't technically a primary color, but it's similar enough to red to be a primary color. So that I can make multiple colors with that. I'm not sure. Oh, there's something in here. Okay. So there is something wrapped in here. Look how she wrapped it just so it won't break too. Oh, it's a fragrance oil cupcake. Oh, that's so cute. And cupcake smell and little cupcake mold. Thank you, Renee. That's so cute. Okay, so I've got that. And then she put like little craft sticks and these little containers to mix the color. I think it's where you mix the color and like rubbing alcohol, which I do need to get some alcohol so I can do this. I thought we had some, but we don't. But that's everything that Renee sent me, which is so sweet, Renee. Thank you so much. Me and my kids are going to love doing this. These little cupcakes. I'm excited. And the cupcake smell that just pulls it all together. But everyone watching, please check out Renee's channel below. She makes beautiful, beautiful soaps, I swear. And then she has a lot of other people who donate to her as well, and she shows those on camera. So if you like seeing the process, or you know, you like seeing soap or anything like that, you should check out her channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links as well as Renee's below. And you guys have a great day. Bye.